How to fix Outlook login issues. So before doing anything, you could have to double check your email and password, confirm you're using the correct email address, check caps lock, keyboard language, and extra spaces, and try signing in from another browser or device as well. If it works elsewhere, the problem is likely browser related. But the first thing you can go ahead and try and do is go here and search for your control panel. And once you're in control panel, go and press on programs, go to programs and features, and just search for Microsoft 365. So in our case, we don't really have Microsoft 365, but just go ahead and find it. Right click on Microsoft 365, press on change, and press on repair. Then you're gonna have to press yes on the user account control. But once that's done, it's gonna do a bit of this. You're just gonna wait for that and try reopening or logging back to your Outlook. Another option you can go ahead and do after that's done is go back to the search option and search for services. So go ahead and open services up, and you're gonna have to search for M. So go to the M section. So here you're going to your Microsoft account sign in. So you're gonna have to right click on this and just press on restart. So it's gonna load again, but just go ahead and wait for that and try doing the login one last time. And one final thing you can do is go to your settings and search for the apps over here. Then you're gonna have to search for Microsoft 365 again. But in our case, Microsoft 365 isn't really here yet, but let's just say this would be our Microsoft 365 for example. Then just go ahead and press on advanced options and try these options over here, which is the terminate, reset, and this as well. So you have three options, and the last one over here is to reinstall the app itself. But once you do all that, go ahead and try restarting your device and see if you can log in back to Outlook. But those are a few options you can try to potentially fix this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.